Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't already, please consider subscribing and helping us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up as you're watching today. Today we are doing part 3 of a ThredUp unboxing. If you didn't catch part 1, that's where I told you all about where I bought this haul from, how much it cost, and went into a little bit more detail. You can go back and watch that. I'll have it pop up at the end for you. There was also a part 2. This is part 3. We are just continuing along going through the ThredUp Denim rescue box I purchased. And I'm keeping track of the Bolo brands I find, Bread and Butter and Poop. And at the end, we'll be able to see how many of each I got and figure out the cost per piece. We're going to jump right on in here because we got a lot to get done today. This is cute. These are like shorts. They're overalls, Star. I know how to speak, and wow, these are just going to be the bane of this show. There we go. These are overalls. Aren't they cute? They're shortalls. Shortalls? Overall shorts? All good keywords. They're Levi's Denizen. Solid Bread and Butter. I've always done good with overalls, regardless of the brand or whether they were full-length pants or shorts. These are some pants. These are some pants. They're cute, but what are they? Uh-oh. They have a hole that I don't think is meant to be there, and it's not the cute kind of hole in the jeans that makes them worth more money. They're in the inner thigh area, and this I think is not that great of a brand. VSM jeans. And with the big hole rip in the inner thigh crotch, I hate that word. We're going to call them Poop and just get rid of them. Nobody wants air conditioning in their pants. I crack myself up. I'm so funny. No one else thinks so, but I do. And that's all that matters. I make myself laugh. American Eagle, Bread and Butter. These have a lot of wear on the inner thigh. Some pilling. I'll probably just disclose that and list these for like 17 or 18. It's either that or call them Poop, but I think I can sell them at a discount. These are Celebrity Pink Girls, size 14, so little kid shorts. Bread and Butter. I like bread and butter. I like toast and jam. Gymboree. Got a lot of little kid stuff in this one, but that's okay. I wouldn't source kids clothing, but I'm not going to turn it away either. If it comes in a box, it comes in a box. It's easy to photograph, easy to store, and it ships first class. So, American Eagle, next level stretch, another pair, just like the last. High-rise jeggings. Yeah, another pair just like the last, except these are so worn in the thighs. It's like the material stretched out and you can start to see holes and rips. So I'm not going to be able to resell those. Poop. Poop, poop, poop. Forever 21 push-up jeans. These are small though. Lord. Oh, they're women, size 26. And they have really cute, raw, scraggly hems. So those will be Bread and Butter. We've got some pants. Some pants. These are pants. Where's the price? The price. Denim. Holy, can't read. I can't tell. H&M, Lord almighty. H&M right here on the tag. I was trying to read the button. Get a grip. I know what I'm doing. I know how to be a reseller. I do professional YouTube videos. This is not amateur hour. I just hit myself in the head with these jeans. Yeah. Oh man, these are Osh Gosh Bagosh, which are usually really good money and have a really good sell-through rate. They have yellow paint on them. But you know what? I'm going to put them down as bread and butter. And when I comp them, I will just disclose that they have some yellow paint stains and drop the price a couple of bucks accordingly. Cool beans. Because they're gosh. Why am I throwing stuff on the floor? You would think I would know what I'm doing by now. I've done unboxing videos before. Can you tell? Gap Long and Lean. I love Gap Long and Lean. The Gap Long and Lean typically sell quickly, more quickly than other Gap jeans. And I think it's because they have the long length, and women who have very long legs or need long length probably have a harder time finding clothes than the regular length. Anything that's like a specialty size, really small, plus size, big and tall, long, petite even, you're going to do better with those. Children's Place, bread and butter, their kids. These are American Eagle. And the crotch is intact, folks. We have an intact crotch. Next Level Stretch. I love this. I did a whole haul video once on like specialty things you can look for in jeans that make them have a quicker sell-through rate, or something you can raise the price a couple of bucks for. And Next Level Stretch is one of those. I have jeans here. These are kids, Levi's. They got the elastic waist. I always put adjustable waist in the title if I have room on kids. I know that, my kids are almost 19 and 22 now, but when they were little boys, I always wanted to find the adjustable waist because kids grow so fast and you don't want to keep having to buy new clothes. So you want something you can let out as they get bigger. Okay. Paige. That's my happy wiggle. I got Paige jeans. All right, those are Bolo. I'm recording this on a Friday, so if you wonder why I'm being extra silly, it's because it's been a really long week. It is Friday, and I'm recording on a day that I feel fun. Hey, these are 7-Eleven skinnies, which I'm going to cheat and look at my little price guide I have for myself. It's in my jeans guide, too. It's not just for me. Levi's 7-Eleven, I usually start around 30 bucks. However, these are white, or they were white, and they look blue, and I'm just not doing it. Now you watch. When this video is over, I'm going to sneak over there. I'm going to sneak over there to that poop pile and take them out and then list them at a discounted price because, I don't know. American Eagle Super Stretch X. Size 4. Bread and butter. This is San Francisco treat. Did we see these? Yes. Okay, so that's all of them except for these ones up here that I want to comp with you guys. So I'm going to share my screen and we will look these up together on the bay, on the E of the bays, and figure these out. Okay, so most of these are like new to me. Or I just want to double check. So these are Ambig, A-M-B-I-G. I've never heard of these. They're men's. It's not even, I guess it's pulling stuff. Ooh, these are not worth a lot of money here, folks. Look at solds. That's 24 bucks all in. Just sold at the beginning of March. 30 bucks all in. And then people had them listed for what? 18, 19 all in. I'm adding the shipping to the price. 26. So yeah, maybe I could put these up for like 25. They're size 34 by 34. So yeah, these will be bread and butter. Cool. Their sell-through rate's probably really bad, but that's okay. I'm not going to not list them unless it's utter trash. Okay, I got some men's 569s. So these 569 were not on my pricing list, which means I've probably either never sourced this particular line of Levi's or only a few times. Because I have that pricing list is the brands that I deal with often, all the time, just brands that I usually have memorized. These are good. I mean, we can look at solds. These are solds. I mean, they're bread and butter. They're going to be like 25, 30 bucks. There were 2 pairs of these, right? So 2 pairs of the men's loose straight Levi's 569. We'll put 2 tick marks. And then I've got Taylor Vintage. Can you see them? I know I'm small over on the side. Taylor Vintage. Men's jeans. I mean, 20 bucks. That's low end bread and butter. That's not bad. Let's see what people have them actually listed for. Yeah, these will call bread and butter. Mine are size 32, which is real common for men. It's good size. All right, last but not least, if you recall in the very first part of the part 3 ThredUp unboxing, I looked up the RN number on these jeans to demonstrate how to do that. And these are Liz Claiborne, but they're men's, which is weird. So I'm going to go ahead and I think it's MCXX. We'll find out. No, I'm not seeing anything. That could be meant to be a G. I'm not finding them. But we know the RN number leads back to Liz Claiborne. So here's the thing. I'm going to put these down as bread and butter because I'm going to list them. We all know that. I'm going to list them as all. We'll either have to do a Google image search of the tag once I have pictures of these jeans. Or if any of you kind folks watching this can tell me what the heck that says in the comments, that'd be great. All right. So before I let you go, we're going to count up the totals here. We've got 3 money monies. 3 money monies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40 exactly, bread and butter, and 5 poops. So a 50-pound box of rescue denim that cost $50 plus $10.99 shipping. $60.99 all in for 50 pounds of denim, 5 pieces of which I will not be able to sell. 5 pieces were poop. But I came out with 40 bread and butters and 3 money monies. So 43 viable pieces that I can sell. I need to pull my calculator out because we all know that I know math. $1.41 per pair. $1.41 per pair. Now, to someone like me who can get most of these for 99 cents, and a lot of these I probably would have passed on at the thrift, even at 99 cents, that's kind of, well, I guess I got 43 things to work on. But I do know a lot of my reseller friends live in areas that don't have 99-cent day. Some people have $2 day, but some people don't even have that. A lot of the thrift stores now are starting their jeans at $6, $7, and $8, and even at half off. $3 for American Eagle is still a little high considering your return on investment and your profit margin. So being able to get 50 pounds of denim delivered straight to your door to have 43 viable pieces that are all going to profit you somewhere between $8 on the low end of the, really low end bread and butter poopy stuff to the high end. I mean, it's decent for $1.41 a piece. So that's the breakdown of my ThredUp box. If you missed part 1 or part 2, go ahead and feel free to go back and watch those at your leisure. I'm going to have part 1 pop up in the corner here. And you guys, go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.